So today I got Colors Bay and tackle box. So let's open this. Ooh! Look at all of these. These are brand new Googan baits. All of them. So I'm going to start unpacking all of these and show them piece by piece. So first one, we got the mini one. Mini. The new lipless crank. New lipless. That's all that these are. Lipless cranks. See? Lipless cranks. Yeah. So anyway, the new cranks are here, and here they are. We got the mini, all minis, and then the brand new lipless cranks. See? So, that's what we have. Time to go and get more tomorrow. Today, we're going to go over all these baits that I have in here. Because it's a pound. Feels like a pound. So the first one I have is a watermelon kicking craw. Natural Benito. Junebug trench hog. Watermelon red flake Benito bug. Orby Controby kicking Benito bug. Watermelon red flake Monodo Worm. Alabama craw. Green pumpkin trench hog. Watermelon red trench hog. Pole Benito. Junebug kicking call. Junebug Benito bugs, which I have more up there. Googan line, fluorocarbon, 15 pounds. Summer call Benito. And plum Monodo Worm. Now I got my money bag, which you cannot whip. Try it every single way, and I even couldn't put a firework in this thing like a black cat. So it didn't even explode. So that's what I have. I'm gonna go over what I have on my pegboard, and I'll see you right there. So I have all this tackle, more Googan baits, crank baits, Tormo, Z-Call, don't know what that one is, swim bait, flukes, live target hollow body claws, lipless, top water, other top. Then here's more of my baits and tackle that I have on my wall. Lunker logs here, 6 inches, 5. Monodo worms, drop shot, slim shake worm, neg legs, more, slim shake, trench hogs, trench hog, Monodo Worm, kicking craws, bandito bugs, heel, 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 more zoom craws, kicking craw, then my crankbaits, then other non-brand stuff, more Googan, then my line, and that's basically all that I have on my. Then let's get into what I have my Googan Squad tackle box. This is really legit. I love this tackle box. So let's flip on open and see what we have. So first, we have the Googan Squad crankbait that goes 15 to 20 feet in the water. I'll use this mostly when it's winter season, but I have it ready to go in my to-go tackle box. Lipless gold ladder trap. That's the sound. I love this lipless. Has a lot of noise. Have another lipless that looks like a blue gill color. Then I have a 8 to 12 feet crankbait. Another 8 to 12 crankbait by Googan. 2 to 5 crankbait. 2 to 12 crankbait. Another 2 to 12, 2 to 5 crankbait. Another one. Another one. Then I got a 1 to 4 mini. A sexy shad mini. And this is the one that Lunko's made. 1 to 4 feet. That's what I have in this one. Now let's go on and see my wad. Alright, first one that I have on of my wads. I have 10 wads. This one is a Quantum PT. You can use it for flipping or you can cast it out. I have it with a mini crankbait tied on with a 7 to 3 medium boogery wad. I love this wad. Caught a lot of big fish on it. So that's one of the reasons why I like it. The next one I have a Quantum PT Tool tournament reel with a Lewis speed stick, a heavy action rod, medium heavy rod. I have a peg on there, a rod mill and kicking claw, and a peg weight on it. I love this rod. I went fishing last night, caught a fish on it. So that's what I have. And then on these, I have a Quantum KVD reel with a Cabela's rod. Quantum KVD S5 with a Monodo Worm on it with a Alba Garcia. Don't know this brand. Then I found a medium, or I have a medium crank bait, a small one, with a favorite AP basting reel rod. Then the spinning rod. then another spinning rod, a falcon wheel with a chatterbait on, and a spinning wheel with a spinnerbait on. That's all that I have, but I'll go fishing sometime soon when I'm out and about. So I'll catch y'all on the next one. Peace out.